You can also insert images inside of your header and footer, especially when you want to insert a logo or something. This is very useful. So I'm just going to go on the top and double click to get the header, and you can simply insert an image here by going into insert and by going into image. And you can choose any one of the options right here. So I'm just going to go around and then go and upload from my computer right here. I'm going to go onto my TutorTube drive, and then I'm going to upload my logo PNG file right here. You can see it's large, but what I want to do is, first of all, I want to crop this out to just get the portion that I want right here, just like this. And then there you go. This is on my header now. And if I were to press enter, control enter, you can see that the logo appears in all of the pages now. So I can just go around over here, resize this out, and there you go. That's the case for all of this now. I can also copy and paste this onto the footer. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go on to the footer portion, and for that I'm going to double click over here, paste it, and what I can do is I can right align it just like this. So you can see that I have the header and footer logo on all of the pages now. And that is how you can insert images inside of headers and footers inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.